So hey guys, this is Dr. Shvek Singla, and in this video I am gonna tell you about a topic from the dermatology, that is kits. So there are very different types of kits and their colors and the specific drug and for which disease it is given. We will be discussing that. So first of all, kit number one. The kit number one is gray kit, and it is given for the cervical and the urethral discharge. So if a patient in the OPD comes you with a urethral or the cervical discharge, you will be giving azithromycin and cefixime. So you can remember the dose of this, like it is the azithromycin is given 1 gram and cefixime is 400 milligram. Okay, and it is 400 milligram. So this is a kit 1 and it is of gray color. Now kit 2 is the green kit, and it's a green kit. It is used for the vaginal discharge. It is used for the vaginal discharge, and it contains metronidazole and fluconazole. So guys, you know that when metronidazole is given for the trichomonas infection, and the fluconazole is given for the candida infection. There is a white discharge in the candida, and in the trichomonas there will be the greenish vaginal discharge. So we can go give both metronidazole plus fluconazole in the kit 2. It's a green kit. Now the pay your attention guys, you have kit 3 with you and kit 4. So both kit 3 and kit 4 is for the genital ulcers, different genital ulcer. We can give kit 3 and the kit 4. Kit 3 is the white kit and kit 4 is the blue kit. So what is in the kit 3? Kit 3 contains penicillin plus azithromycin, but kit 4 contains, that is blue kit contains doxycycline plus azithromycin. This difference because guys, if someone is allergic to the penicillin, then it can be given doxycycline in the place of azithromycin. But now suppose if there is a patient, if there is a if there is a patient which is pregnant, if the patient is pregnant, then we can't give doxycycline to that patient. So, and if it is also, and suppose if it is also, if she is also allergic to the penicillin, then we will be giving penicillin in the divided doses, and we will give doing desensitization to the patient for this for the penicillin. Okay guys, and you can't be given doxycycline in the pregnant patient. So this is the two kits, white kit and blue kit. Now guys, there is a kit 5 which is known as red kit, and it is given for the genital herpes. And genital herpes, you know that these are the genital herpes, and it is this is the genital herpes. It is like a vesicular lesion. Okay, so this is the genital herpes, and you will be giving acyclovir for this patient. It is a kit 5. Kit number 5 contains acyclovir. Now kit number 6, it is a yellow kit, and it is used for the lower abdominal pain. Condition is known as PID or pelvic inflammatory diseases. And in this kit you will be giving cefixime and doxycycline. Cefixime and doxycycline in the kit number 6 or yellow kit. Now the last kit is guys of kit number 7, that is a black kit. It is given for the inguinal bubo. It is given for the inguinal bubo, and this is the lymphogranuloma venerum. You can see these are the buboes, these are two buboes, and there is a groove between the two buboes. This is known as groove sign. This is known as groove sign, and it is present in the lymphogranuloma venerum. And you know very well know that this the organism for the lymphogranuloma venerum is Chlamydia trachomatis. Chlamydia trachomatis. Okay guys, so what is the treatment for this? You can give doxycycline plus azithromycin. So guys, there are two kits in which we are giving doxycycline plus azithromycin. These are two B's. First, black kit, and the second kit is the blue kit. Second is the blue kit, in which we are giving doxycycline plus azithromycin. You can learn this like that, and you have only one kit in which there is acyclovir, kit number 5, and next you have one kit for the vaginal discharge and one kit for the urethral and cervical discharge. So these are different kits and with for the different uses, and it is very very important questions for your exam guys, and you have to remember this by heart. And so thank you guys. This is Dr. Shivek Singla signing off. Bye bye.